Traders, going to provide another update on ticker symbol BFCH. It's August 8, 2018. The market's closed. You can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com, for upcoming live trading courses, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. BFCH battle today just ticked on the 49, went to 0.0048 for the lows of the day, pushed right back up. I believe it touched 5.6 one time and closed at 5.5. Pretty much even for the day, but it opened up lower, and it seems like it actually filled its gap. Moving forward, it's still in the support area. As you can see, this is all support level, all this. And if I just back it up a little bit, and I'm pretty sure I showed you guys this in the other tutorial. So this is all support, and as you can see, it's at support over here. Obviously, we see higher lows over here coming into play. But we see support at this area, so what we want to see is BFCH break through 0.007. If it does that, it'll be very healthy. It's at support levels. The MAC histogram is negative, but it's still battling around 5s, 0.005, a little less, a little more. Give or take, we just want her to stay above this area right here, I guess 0.004. That's true support, but it's making 5 support as well. Of course, there'll be a couple of ticks down here and there, but the bottom line is that it stays above, and the MAC histogram hopefully will turn over. And with the 12+ billion shares being canceled in the near future, hopefully we can see something spectacular. You know, maybe 5 cents, maybe a dime, maybe even more. But until then, people in this position have to be patient. I can't cancel 12 billion shares right away. I would say 90 to 120 days max, but expect things to happen as soon as 30 days to plus anywhere from 30 days to 120 days. That's the most I will give it. If the company is really determined to get things going and keep their shareholders with them and gain more shareholders, they would try to complete this as fast as possible. Now, don't get me wrong. Canceling shares takes time. You have to report it to the state, to the SEC. You know, there's just a lot of things going on. Lawyers, accountants, a little of everything. So this will take time. But if the 12 billion shares are canceled, and it happens anywhere from 30 to 120 days, this could be awesome. And getting out of position too soon might harm you, especially for the individuals that was in BFCH before it was BFCH. I believe it's called Puro or something like that. And they received a $10 million loan to start this new frontier, this Bitcoin frontier that they're doing. Let's see what happens moving forward. Once again, don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if I'm being helpful. And don't forget, we have live upcoming trading courses every month at thetradingteacher.com. Take care, guys.